50 years, you found Warren Secord Automotive on the west side of Kent. We're now Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros. I'm owner Bill Winans. I want to invite you to make us your auto shop. Our ASE certified technicians can help you with almost anything you might drive. We work on cars, trucks, SUVs. And if you're a business with a fleet of cars and trucks, talk to us about servicing your fleet. Come make us your automotive shop.
Automotive experts recommend using 4 tires of the same type best suited for your vehicle. But some vehicle owners think having tires that are bigger or smaller, the cooler you look. However, such thinking has consequences. ItStillRuns.com shares the effects of tires and wheels that are the wrong size. Changing the tire size affects wear and tear on the drivetrain, the engine, and affects the way the vehicle handles in all road conditions. They may also cause the vehicle to handle and steer differently. Brakes may even have more stress due to more unexpected rotating taking place. Wider tires don't perform as well in slick conditions. They may also wear out the wheel bearings and cause rubbing in the wheel wells on turns. The driver may also notice differences in turning and braking. Most noticeable is how wider tires don't fit in the tire-worn grooves on most roadways and will pull your vehicle left or right while you drive. When taller tires are used, steering will seem sloppier and the car may take bumps more abruptly. It might take longer for a vehicle to get up to speed or stop, and the speedometer may read incorrectly. All told, you're paying a high price in terms of comfort, safety, and cost just so your vehicle looks more badass.
See more of our informative videos. Like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros. Thank you.